Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Bob Trade Genius, 3rd of October. And first of all, let's pray for the health and safety of our president, his wife, and apparently a lot of other people just got sick. So um, put it in the hands of the doctors. Whether you agree with President Trump or disagree with him, you know, never want to have ill will towards anybody. Having said that, I want to slide over to some charts. I want to show you guys something too. Um, People ask me to kind of talk about how our system works, and I thought I'd show it in context with a trade that you could still take on Monday, and I think you'll make a lot of money on it. Is that our philosophy is, we like to take the middle 60, if you will, of a trade, and we, if you're too early, you kind of can get stoned on a trade that's not ready, and if you stay in too long, you can suffer a big reversal or you roll down. So we like to stay in the middle, and we built our tools for that. And this is here. It's on a daily. We trade a lot on the 30-minute too, but this just shows you can trade it on really any time period. If you want to take the trade, and I just want to show you how this thing works, and show you the trade we put back on Friday. So this here is two standard deviations, linear regression. It looks back. In this case, it's looking back over 3 months. Okay, so it gives us a good look at the channel. It's important for us because if something penetrates below two standard deviations, I'm interested when it comes back in, and to take a confirming signal to get on a trade that at least will take us back to the midpoint. Conversely, you get up here, if it breaks through the two standard deviation, comes back in, probably a good place to take profit, as you saw we did here. So, when you're looking at something like Cameco, which this trade likes to oscillate, I trade Cameco all the time, is that in your situation, just so you know too, our system wins 2 out of every 3 times because you get stuff like this. Can't help it. That's life. Games of probability. It would be called collecting if you never lost money. So in this situation, we had a buy signal. It already moved up pretty aggressively, and it didn't continue the trade. Rolled over. Get out of the trade if you're slow ribbon. The price goes below the slow ribbon. On a closing basis, you want to get out end of that day. And in this case, right here, it was a loss. Usually set my stops 3 to 5% down, but here it is. Get out, bail out. Trade didn't work. Okay, and then the other area down here too. This is a new signal that anybody that's renewing with us this year is going to get. It's not out quite yet. A couple weeks it'll be available, but it's basically an adaptation on a slow stochastic, and it's just basically recording trend and oversold and overbought areas. So I like to look at this. Don't like to trade against the trend here. So in situations like this, if I get a buy signal here, I like to look down here to see if I'm getting a confirmation signal, and vice versa. And then it's okay. So signal, take the trade. The bar hit here, and you're going to get in on this trade right here, and then you just run with it. Now, depending on how you manage your stops, is that you just keep working this trade up higher. But for sure, if you get over 2 standard deviations, like it poked up here, came back in, is you should get out of this trade. It's pretty close to being over. And don't worry if you're wrong and it keeps going up. That's life. It happens a lot, actually. But this is good trade management. And look what happened here. Whoosh. So we came back down here again. We got the oscillation ready to come up again. Now you have a couple choices here. The trade trigger here was already saying this is okay to take the trade right in here. Okay. So I just simply wait it. You get a buy signal here. You take the trade, rinse and repeat. And on Friday we got another trade signal. Now there's an exception to the rule. We love to trade hammers. We love to trade dojis, and that's what we got. So we went ahead and bought this thing at 968, and I'm expecting a move higher. My stop's down here at 9:30, and I'll move it up as we get a little bit more information, just to show you that. So keep an eye on Cameco. It looks like it's going to be a good trade. And this line here is a 144. It's a little different than what other people use, but it's a good bull bear indicator. And it broke down through it, and then when it dojied it, I said, just good risk reward for us. Another trade we've been trading a lot is was quite a bit of success, and I don't think this trade's done either because they're involved in some therapeutics. But this is Sorrento, and we've been getting some massive moves on this, and we had a fun time with it this summer, and then it broke down. But another signal that we have is and this is also going to be available for renewing members, is we call it sniper buy. We use it for trading futures. If you get a sniper buy and you get a ribbon buy, even though this is still oversold, okay, it won't come out of oversold till you get to 20, okay, is that we take this trade. And this sniper buy it's a calculation based on the way institutions look at reversals. And so there's also a sniper sell, but I don't have it shown. Buys are always easier to find than sells, in my opinion. Usually you V bottom, you a lot of times you top. But here it is. Here's sniper buy, and running with this trade again. And I've been in and out with size on this, so I've been trading on lower time frames between 1,000 and 3,000 shares on this, and it's been going spectacularly well. So we're still in good shape here. If you just trade this on the daily, you would have gotten out yesterday on it. But this is news for me, so I still have a small position. I have a core position in it. But as soon as I get the next buy signal on this, that means if it doesn't turn blue here and it pushes back up over the black, then I'm going to jump back in the trade again. Okay, and I'll show you one more. They think if we get the stimulus package and Trump comes out of the hospital okay, FCX is setting up here, and I've been trading this one a lot. Let me clear off this here, okay, just to show you on a daily basis. Okay, so it broke the 2 standard deviation down. I'm always interested in this. This is setting up here. It's oversold now. It's trending down, but it's ready to turn higher. And I like the fact that it's showing some strength here. I think we're going to see a potential good move in Freeport-McMoRan here really soon. If you notice the last move it made here is you would have bought that trade right in here per the signal, and you would have been in that trade right to here. That's 18% over a month. I think you guys could live with that. And then here again, the system just simply works. There's no drama with the system. If you follow the system, here's 20%. Okay, and they rinse and repeat. And this one here, you probably lost money on the trade, but the one before that, you would have made money. So that's how it works. So you're going to win 2 out of every 3 times, and you're going to make some really good money. You just have to follow the system. And here's another one that's been working a lot too. And let me clear that off. I trade these on lower time frames personally, but if you're just trading daily, this is a nice move. It's consolidating right now. Okay, so I'm waiting now for Mosaic to break out of this channel, but this is my food play in case people are interested. So it's hard to buy. There's wheat and there's corn on this stuff, but you want to buy this. You want to buy Kroger. You want to buy some of the meat processing companies. But Mosaic is ag chem, and they're going to do quite well. But it already had a 50% move here that it's digesting. And so I'm just simply waiting for it to reset on the stochastic here. And if it gets a stab down, I'll look to buy a oversold situation. But anyway, I just want to kind of show you how this works. If you're interested in it, you certainly check us out. TradeLikeAGenius.com. This trades nearly every day. And if this is too slow for you, you can always step down on this thing. 30-minute works extremely well. If you see here, look at the sniper buys. See? So you got a sniper buy. You'd have bought it here. You'd have been in trade to here. Sniper buy here. You're in the trade to here. You're in the trade to here. Look, these are 1 or 2 day trades, okay? So depending on how you like to trade this, and there's sniper buy here. You'd have had it here. You'd have been into here. So, I mean, in 1 month period of time, you know, you'd have made yourself 6%, and the stock's not really even going anywhere. Here's another sniper buy here. You'd have been in that trade to probably right here, 8%. Okay, so check us out, and TradeLikeAGenius.com. For those who are going to be renewing with us now in the rest of the year, you're going to get sniper buys, and you're going to get this signal here. It's called the trade trigger, and you already get the ribbon. And I took off the fast ribbon just to make it look, show you how clean it is, and you can operate off just one single ribbon if you wanted to. And then, you know, here you go again. See, look at these moves. Okay, this is just on the 30-minute. Big hammer here, boom. Boom. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than this. So this is my preferred time frame, 30-minute, 1 hour. And with the sniper buy, 30 minutes works really, really, really well. And then, you know, and since I'm going crazy here showing you stuff, I'll show you this too. Okay, so here's, show you, we were trading this on the 5-minute yesterday. Okay. So this is SPX USD, and so there's some really nice trades in here too. Okay, so, and there's just a lot of opportunities to make the trades, and you can even step this down to 1 minute depending on what you want to. Okay, so anyway, thanks for listening. Find out some more stuff. I'm going to talk some more biotech. I think there's going to get a lot of interest now with Trump. With this Regeneron, I gotta look at the chart. I've never traded that. I've been trading some of the other therapeutics, and just to show you what they are, you know, here's ADIL, okay, there's ADTX, Cleveland Biolab. I can't trade that in 1 minute, but these are ones that all can explode. I'm watching them very closely, looking for some quick wins on them. Here's one more, Odessa Biotech. So once you start to oscillate, I get interested in them. Thanks for listening, guys. Have a great one. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.